tell whether the angles are adjacent or vertical. So an angle A, those are going to be vertical angles because they are opposite from one another. And x will be equal to whatever 70 is equal to because vertical angles are equal. So x is equal to 70. This one over here is a little bit different. Notice they're not across one another, so these would be considered adjacent. And we've got a little bit of a dilemma here. We know that this whole entire corner, both of these should be equal to 90 degrees. We've already taken care of 31 degrees, so maybe if we figure out how many degrees is left, we can see how much it's going to be equal to. So I'm going to just take 31 away from 90. So we get 59. So basically, this corner, x plus 4, has to be equal to 59 degrees. How in order to get whatever x is equal to, I'm just going to take 4 away from 59, and x will be giving me 55. You can always go number 5, those are going to be adjacent angles. And I know that this straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So to figure out what x is, I'm just going to take 180 and subtract 85 from it. So I can't do 0 minus 5, so I'm going to come over here and take away. And take away one more. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 8 is 17 minus 8 is 9. So x is equal to 95 degrees. Okay. Over here, number 6, these angles are vertical. And vertical angles are always equal to one another, so x is equal to 90 degrees because it's right across from a 90-degree angle. In number 7, these are adjacent. And I know that this whole entire corner should be 90 degrees, and I already have 69 degrees worth of that. So what I'm going to do is figure out how much I have left. So that'd be 21 degrees. So 21 degrees is equal to 2x minus 1. I probably can solve by adding first. So I'm going to add 1 to both sides. So that's 22 is equal to 2x. And then divide both sides by 2. X is equal to 11 for number 7.